Good morning, guys! Welcome to Vlogmas day 7. It's actually morning. I'm still getting ready. I'm using this primer by Makeup Revolution or I Heart Revolution, and it's the e.l.f. primer. I got it last year, and so far I really like it. It's really moisturizing and it makes my makeup look really good. I'm going to be using this concealer under my eyes. Bear With Me concealer serum. Now I'm going to put on some foundation. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Honey. And since this one is like too dark for me, I am mixing it with a Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour foundation in the shade Driftwood. This one right here. So I mix these two together. I only put that much of the dark brown one of the Too Faced, and then I just put this much of the white one on top of it of the Becca. And now I'm going to put a little bit of the e.l.f. What do you call this? 16-Hour Camo Concealer, medium neutral. And I'm going to put a little bit under my eyes. I normally only put this when I feel like really tired, when I don't sleep good, and I haven't slept good in 3 days, so. And then I apply some of the coconut setting powder by Ciate London. This one right here. Okay, and then I'm going to put some blush. I normally put on this one, the Alamar Trio Blush mixed with a Note blush. See, this is what it's looking like. And this is what the other one looks like. But today I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Putty Blush, the one that I got on my advent calendar. This one is in the shade Bahamas. So let's see how it looks. I'm going to be using this brush that I normally use. Or should I use the clean brush? But oh, it kind of looks like the Note blush mixed with the Alamar Trio blush. And then I like going in with my powder blush just to blend the edges. Okay, so far I like this blush. It doesn't look weird or anything. It looks like nice and subtle. I'm using this little lip liner here. I got these from like Amazon a long time ago, and this one's my favorite. This is number 14. I'm going to put this lipstick on top. This one is the e.l.f. Hydrating Core Lip Shine lipstick. This is in the shade Cheery. I got it in my advent calendar as well. And that is everything I do every single day when I don't have time to do eyeliner and mascara and eyeshadow. Anyways, today I'm just going to be home and I have to finish my essay. I'm almost done. I only need one more page. Later on we're gonna go get some tamales because I need to try them out already. Oh, and I also need to edit yesterday's vlog because I still haven't done that, and yeah, hopefully it doesn't take me that long. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, you guys, so I am done with my homework, the 5-page essay. I normally just type my essay and I just turn it in like that. I never reread it and I usually get an A. But my boyfriend wants to read it just in case I did something wrong. I don't know. Here's my boyfriend.
Hello guys.
If I look weird, it's because my hair's tucked inside of the sweater. My boyfriend's gonna read my essay right now. And after that, I'm gonna turn it in and then, oh, we're gonna go get tamales.
Oh yeah.
I'm excited. So look at my computer room. I do have a mess. It's like a hoarder room. It's always like that because I'm always doing stuff. So it's okay. Alright, so I just changed my jeans because I was wearing sweatpants. So we could go get tamales. Gotta make sure my jeans still fit before I decided to go buy tamales. I'm wearing my green Converse today because I don't know where my other ones are at. My mom got me these, by the way. Here's my beautiful shoes with my bright yellow socks. Let's go get tamales. I don't know why guys complain that girls take forever to get dressed. My boyfriend takes years. Parece que se pone makeup y brasier. All I had to do was change my jeans. I was already ready since the morning. No, papas, ustedes se van a quedar aquí. Ah, shit, my wallet's upstairs. No, papas. Max is crying because he thinks he's gonna go with us. But he can't go inside the Mexican store. He'll bite everyone. You have to get him his rabies shots too because he's getting a little aggressive. Alright, you guys, so let's go to the tienda. Oh shit, where's my phone?
Your phone?
I forgot it upstairs. Hey Google. Yep, it's upstairs. Alright, let me go get my phone and then we'll leave. Open, hold the gate. Open the guide.
Oh, it does.
Yeah. So we came to Panaderia Guadalajara. Push. Push is this way. There's the magical bread. Do you want to get bread? They have stockings. We're only gonna get like 2 pieces of bread.
I'll get 5 for myself.
No. We get one of these thingies. You know what? We'll get 2 each. Quiero una conchita de chocolate y una blanca. ¿Y tú?
Yo también.
Okay, so there you go.
¿Eso de qué son?
Oh, I don't know, vainilla? I don't know.
Dame esa amarilla entonces.
Okay. So they have tamales de puerco, rajas de queso, pollo y elote. And they also have menudo, tortas ahogadas, rolled tacos, quesadillas, sopes, carne asada fries, and all that good stuff. I feel like this camera moves fast. Like it looks blurry when I move around. I wanna wish you. Oh, use a couple. Oh, they have pomadas here. They have all these delicious candy and snacks. And these are so bomb, you guys. Son churritos and you put like lemon and tapatio and it's so bomb. My mom loves these. There's borrachitos here. Or borrachines. I wonder if they have cachetadas here. The slappers. Oh, these are good, you guys. Lococha sandía. So right here they have the slaps. Son las cachetadas. I used to love eating these when we would go to Mexico with my family in Michoacan. So bomb. We got the tamales. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. We are home alone. Just kidding. We're always home alone. But we just arrived home and we're gonna eat delicious tamales. We only got 2 tamales de puerco, 2 of chicken, and 2 chepos. Uchepos are tamales de elote. These are chicken? Maybe, because it looks bigger than the... Oops, I'm not even showing you guys. So here. You want to eat the chepo first, or this?
What chepo?
Oh, we have salsa. Go bring the salsa.
Hell yeah. They wanted the Tupperware?
Yeah. Oh, we finished it? Okay, I had made the habanero sauce that I made the other day. And I believe these are the uchepos. Okay, so we're gonna taste the chapo first. They do smell delicious. Oh, you can't see me. Oh dear Lord. Here's my boyfriend. I can't see him. You don't need to see him. You wanna see him?
Hello guys.
So here we go. Oh, pretty good. It's done. We're gonna order from there. We're gonna drink some banana water. It's Coke Zero, by the way. Okay, anyways, we're gonna be eating our delicious food, and then we might make the gingerbread houses or just eat the conchitas. Why is this blurry?
Go home, camera. You're drunk.
That's funny. Before I let you guys go, I want to show you guys the piggyback ride. Do you guys say tamal or tamale? But anyways, these are pork tamales.
Tamales.
Tamales de puerco. Okay, I just finished sweeping and mopping and folding the blankets on the couch, so it's kind of clean. Anyways, I do have this box on the couch, and it only has one thing. It's a pair of shoes that I ordered from Amazon. I got these for my boyfriend's Christmas party, work Christmas party that they're gonna have next week, and so I decided to get these heels. I feel like you can't really see them. So it's these right here. I still feel like you can't really see them. But anyways, they're super cute. And I just love them. And they were only $30. And they normally retail for like $60, but they were 50% off on Amazon. I did get a size 7.5. Can you see that? I will have them linked down below if you guys want to see them better, or if you guys want to get them. They have a bunch of different colors. And yeah, that's everything there's in this box. There was other stuff, but I already put it away, and yeah. Anyways, now I could get rid of this box. I did get this light bulb pillow at Target. It was like $20. It's pretty nice. I like it. It looks like a chile, like a pepper. Now I'm going to put this box here and see how long it takes for my boyfriend to get it out. Do you see what I see? Okay, so right now I'm going to show you guys my advent calendars, just in case we don't do anything else today. This will be the last thing you guys see. Today is day 7, so I'm going to start off with 12 days of chapstick. And so 7 is down here. This one is the pumpkin pie. I've already used one of these before, so I'm not gonna open it right now. It smells really good. Okay, now day number 7 on the 12 days of self-care. Day 7 is down here, and it is a small one. Oh, I got pills. Oh, these are cute. These are the Sugar Bear Sleep Deep 5 HTP. But anyways, it's these right here. It comes in a cute little bottle, and I'm definitely going to be taking these tonight because, like I said in the morning, I haven't slept in like 3 days. I mean, I've slept, but I've been having trouble sleeping. So I'm excited about that, and I will see if they actually work. Okay, now day 7 on 12 days of beauty. So day 7's right here, and I got something from e.l.f. Let's see, what have we here? Okay, I got the Bite Size Face Duo Spiced Apple. That's what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see the actual color. Oh cool, it's a highlighter and blush duo. Get on the go cheeky glow with this highlighter and blush duo. I'm excited for this. I thought it was going to be contour or something because the blush looks a little dark. But I mean, it is dark in here. But anyways, I'm excited for this. I will be using this tomorrow morning and I will show you guys how it looks. And yeah, anyways, that's everything that I got from my advent calendars today. And yeah, I liked every single thing. Anyways, tomorrow, you guys, we're gonna go ice skating. Hopefully that's our plan. And it's going to be my first time ice skating, so hopefully I don't fall down and split my head open or something. I'm just kidding. Oh, before I end the vlog, let me show you guys my Christmas tree. So I have this beautiful ornament, and this is a Super Nintendo. Can you guys see that? It's so cute. I did show it in my Instagram, so if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already saw this. See? It's so cute and adorable. I love it. And I do have a Super Mario star like last year, and my beautiful little mug. Adorable. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.